Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Samsung Wallet on Galaxy S24. Pro tip step by step clearly. To set up Samsung Wallet on your Galaxy S24, begin by unlocking your device. Swipe up to access the app drawer. Locate and open the Samsung Wallet app. If you don't have it installed, visit the Google Play Store and download it. Once inside the app, tap Get Started on the welcome screen. Next, sign in with your Samsung account. If you don't have a Samsung account, select Create Account and follow the prompts. After signing in, you may need to verify your identity. Enter the verification code sent to your registered phone number or email. Once verified, you will be taken to the main interface of Samsung Wallet. Tap on Add a payment method to link your credit or debit card. Choose your preferred method of adding a card, manually input your details or scan your card. If scanning, align the card within the designated area for accurate recognition. Review the information you entered and confirm the details are correct. Next, add any loyalty cards or passes you wish to store. Tap on Add Card and select either loyalty card or pass. Follow the prompts to scan or enter the required information for each card. Once you've added your cards, explore the additional features offered by Samsung Wallet. You can enable security features such as fingerprint recognition or facial recognition. To do this, go to the settings within the app and choose your preferred security method. After setting up security, enable notifications for transaction alerts. This will keep you informed of any activity within your Samsung Wallet. To make a purchase, simply tap your phone on a contactless payment terminal. Samsung Wallet will automatically open, displaying your designated card. Follow on-screen prompts to complete the transaction. Regularly check for updates to ensure you have the latest features. By following these steps, you're now ready to enjoy the convenience of Samsung Wallet on your. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.